Apparently, what up?
We're doing a vlog.
We are.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Give everyone the introduction.
My name is Kevin Cruz.
No, you gotta give them the introduction. Who takes all the good pictures?
There's this guy called Connor Ekberg. He doesn't have any social medias. His Instagram handle is CNNR2. Check him out. He only posts stock pictures of himself from what's that? Flickr.
Flickr, yeah.
From Flickr, and he's a good photographer. I'm only borrowing his stuff.
So that's who's been doing a lot of the shit on my Instagram and on the channel so far. So yeah.
Connor Ekberg, CNNR2. That's not me.
I'll put it up. I'll put a description what it looks like. Alrighty, we changed out. We changed outfits now for a new setting. So free photography. What's your page again?
I got it. Oh, wait, that's my personal page. It's my photography page. It's not much. Last time I posted was February? Yeah, February 16th. So yeah, but check that out. I have some disco stuff that I don't even post on anymore. I have this from Camp Vlog. I have this. I have a lot of 1975 stuff. If you guys
Good man.
want a, want to print. And yeah, I just need money. Maybe like $50 for a day, or 25. I don't know. Whatever helps feed my starving family. I have 2 kids.
Damn.
My dad left though, but
Where'd he go?
get some milk,
What kind of milk did he get?
fat free. I hope he comes back with almond milk though. That shit's fire.
That's some bougie shit.
Yeah,
Make some
like a
smoothies.
vanilla one,
Not the unsweetened kind?
no, that's trash.
Okay.
But yeah, some milk he got. Huh? Quarantine vlog.
Yeah, but it's more about like being back with like nature. Like what's
Being back with like your daily
the
activities.
daily activities since the quarantine.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna record now.
I see what we can talk about. So, apparently we're recording about things to do during the quarantine, which is supposed to stay home, but we're not home.
Obviously, this is nature. And since the quarantine, it's a good enough time for both of us, since I do film and he does photography, to get out more, to do
I mean,
shit.
it's not the perfect time.
It's not definitely not the no, but
it's a good time.
what else
because
am I doing
it's
besides
less
staying home
populated.
when I should be staying
But
home?
but also always wash your hands. Always, honestly, I don't give a fuck if you don't shower every day, but you should start, because that's just grimy to begin with. Like, shower every day. I shouldn't even have to tell you. Shampoo every day. Do all of that every day. Like, come on.
Every single day.
It should just be clean. And stop complaining about not having enough masks to go around. 90% of people don't even be wearing it right. They're not even wearing it over their nose. They're just buying a fucking piece of paper to go on top of your face for no reason. Why?
Any more other PSAs you want to get?
I don't know.
Public announcements.
Stay home. I don't know.
Stay home. Don't be like us. Don't film. No. Hopefully you guys enjoy the clip that's going to be playing right as soon as I'm done talking.
Oh, this is going at the beginning?
What we're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I thought it was gonna go at the end.
It could go at the end now. Oh no. I could just cut it off.
You can just go at the beginning. I don't really care. This is your vlog.
Trust in me.
Hopefully
Hopefully the editing will come out good.
I'm only here for the ride.
For the ride. But yeah, personally, to film more, get back into vlogging, because the last vlog I put out was Christmas time, which was yeah, no, seriously. Well, besides the one you get, that this is part 2 of 1. So part 1 came out last Sunday. I'm gonna post this hopefully, I don't know, tomorrow, maybe even tonight. I don't know, depending on what kind of footage I have done. But
yeah, same. Mine is to just do more photography, get my name out there, sort of deal. But I'm too lazy. Yeah, I'm just too lazy.
come on, dude, do more shit.
I want to do more shit.
Part 3 will be, I don't know, what should we do for part 3?
What should we do for part 3?
We've done more modeling. I don't know. We will do more. Personally, I want to film like I want to try to do a montages or homages to movies that I like.
So that's what we were supposed to do today. Oh, we'll do it next time. More fun.